You may know that you can enable the multi-language feature so your website can be displayed in multiple languages and reach a wider market. But what if there are certain elements on your website that you only want to show when the site is displayed in a specific language? Or on the other hand, maybe there are elements you want to hide when the site is switched to another language. The good news is, it's very easy to do. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the Burdu channel, hit the like button below, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our other tutorials. Step 1. Make sure the multi-language app is already activated. From your Burdu website dashboard, go to Apps and search for multi-language. I've already added a few language options here, but you can add whichever ones you need. For a full tutorial on setting up the multi-language app, check the link in the description below. Once that's done, click Save. And now let's go to Layout and click Edit Layout. This feature works on group sections. On this page, I already have a few groups, such as Benefits, FAQ, Countdown, and so on. Think of a group section as a folder that contains multiple sections inside it. What I want to do here is make the Countdown group only appear when the website is displayed in English, and make the Form section only appear when the site is displayed in another language like Chinese. Here's how to do it. First, click Settings on the Countdown group. Go to Conditions and check the Show based on condition. You'll see an option to select which languages this group should appear in. This option only shows up if the multi-language app is active. Any languages you uncheck mean the group will be hidden for those languages. Since I only want the countdown to show in English, I'll check English and uncheck the others. Done. Now let's adjust the Form section. Open Settings, go to Conditions, and again check Display based on condition. This time I'll select only Chinese, so the form will appear only in Chinese and not in other languages. Click Done, then Save. And let's preview the page. And now it's ready. Since the website is currently displayed in English, the countdown section is visible while the form is hidden. But when I switch the site to another language like Chinese, the countdown disappears and the form appears, exactly as we set it up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Burdu channel for more tutorials. Also, follow Burdu on social media for more helpful content. See you next time!